Another Brazen production.
Man Rico Mabinoni, Yaibo Kamput Mawabe boys, aka we put a bit Kamala and Kabel Family Yela. Rico to be managing Kid Part 2. Yo go, the Tung Lao Brazen rule, Kerenyamun Aisha. Rico the work kitty. One minute check it in a way, China carriage out with them and pass you one.
Alongside Brazen, bringing cultural music back, traditional, educating youth to remember their roots. Let us not forget that